there is peace, there is stillness, there is hope. So it inspired him to write a Kundiman, which later on became a Christmas carol, a Filipino Christmas carol of hope and peace, our own Filipino version of the famous Silent Night. And here's the twist. In our next number, we will be combining the two pieces in one.